There's an island where outsiders are never allowed. It's called North Sentinel Island, and it's one of the most mysterious places on Earth. The people who live there, a tribe that's been completely isolated for over 60,000 years. They have no phones, no electricity, no internet, and they don't want any. Every time someone tries to get close, the tribe drives them away with spears and arrows. In fact, it's illegal to go near the island. The Indian government protects it, and for good reason. Even small contact could spread diseases the tribe has never been exposed to. It's like a real lifetime capsule, untouched by the modern world. A place frozen in time. Would you want to visit, if you could?